Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to subscribe by clicking that red subscribe button below this video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make egg and plantain frittata. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I made this delicious delicious breakfast recipe, continue watching as I share with you guys. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. I'll be using 3 medium plantains, here is the oil I'll be using to fry the plantain. This is vegetable oil. Here I have 8 medium eggs. This is cow liver. I boiled it with salt, then I chopped it. I'll also be frying it a little. Here I have onion, pepper, then I have green pepper, medium size, seasoning cube. Here is fresh ginger, alright, fresh garlic, and this is carrot. I'll be using 2 carrots. Yes, I'll be cutting the vegetables. Make sure you wash them before cutting. This is salt. So I've washed my plantains and I'll be peeling the plantain. So make sure your plantain is ripe but not overripe. So this is it. So I'll be cutting the plantains this way. So this is it. I'm done cutting the plantain down. I'll be salting the plantain. Add little salt, sprinkle little salt, then mix. The next step is to fry our plantains. Make sure you don't over fry the plantain. Or rather, don't allow the plantain to get burnt. So this is how the plantain will look like after frying. Hope you guys are seeing it. So we'll be setting the plantain aside. Then this is the chopped cow liver I told you guys earlier. I'm going to be frying it a little. Like I said, I boiled it with salt. If you guys are seeing it, I'm done frying. So the next step is to break in our eggs. Like I said, we are using 8 medium eggs. I've added the chopped onions, sliced green pepper, sliced red pepper and yellow pepper, then grated fresh ginger and garlic, then I'm adding the chopped carrot. Make sure you scrape the back of your carrots, wash and chop. I've added the fried cow liver, then I'm adding seasoning cube, salt to taste, and I'll be mixing everything together. Guys, this is a healthy breakfast recipe we always love to make. So still using the same frying pan, I added little vegetable oil. So make sure it goes round to avoid the egg from sticking to the pan. And I'm adding the prepared eggs and vegetable. And we'll be placing our plantain on this mixture. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Make sure you cook on low heat, not too low but low heat. So this is it. I'm done placing the plantain, and after that make sure you cover. It was done behind the camera. Cover with a lid to firm up. So this is it, guys. Like I said, make sure you cook on a low heat. Isn't this yummy, guys? This is delicious, guys. Make sure you try it out. This is it. Egg and plantain frittata is ready, guys. Yummy, 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 yummy. Guys, make sure you try this recipe. Enjoy. Wow, hope you love and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.